Good day to our supportive parents and guardians, fellow Monimarians, and the esteemed school administrators, headed by our beloved school founder and school chairman, Mrs. Lillian S. Roldan and Mr. Mario P. Roldan. Without the both of you, the school will be the thriving institution of excellence and growth that it is today. To our amazing school president, Mr. Mikhail Sidney, a visionary leader who continuously strives for excellence. And our diligent school vice president, Ms. Julia R. Villanueva, a dedicated administrator who ensures the success of our institution. So our dedicated school director, Mr. Alexander Ignacio, whose strategic leadership keeps our school moving forward. To our supportive school principal and head of the academic services, Mr. Ronel T. Borbon, a strong pillar of excellence. To our supportive school vice principal, Ms. Rachel Ann Serraliano, a committed leader ensuring smooth academic operations. To our committed prefect of discipline, Mr. Paul Tinoma, who instills discipline and values in our students. To our inspiring guidance advocate, Mrs. Gladys De Leon, a compassionate mentor supporting students' well-being. To our hardworking head of the elementary department, Ms. Via M. Manlagnit, a hardworking educator shaping young minds. To the rest of our dedicated MDA administrators, faculty, and staff, it is an honor to stand before you today on this momentous occasion as we celebrate not just individual achievements, but the collective spirit of perseverance, growth, and excellence that defines us all. Today, as we celebrate and recognize the success of Monimarians, the theme, Empowered for Greatness, honoring Monimarian excellence through competence, resilience, respect, and service. I want to thank the people who have been instrumental in shaping this journey. To our teachers, thank you for your unwavering dedication, for pushing us beyond our limits, and for instilling in us the knowledge and the values that will guide us for years to come. To our peers, for the laughter and the support that made this journey even more meaningful. To my advisor and the head of the elementary department, Mr. Rodel Lagrano and Ms. Via M. Manlagnit, thank you for your unwavering dedication, patience, and guidance that have shaped my journey in ways I will always cherish. To our beloved school administrators, we appreciate your constant dedication and leadership in shaping our school and guiding us toward excellence. And especially to our parents, your endless love and sacrifices have been our greatest motivation. Your encouragement has given us the courage to reach for our dreams. I want to extend my deepest gratitude to my parents whose support and boundless love have been my greatest source of strength. To my mother, Momsy, thank you for always supporting me in joining different organizations. Your support makes me even more confident to strive harder and never give up. Through every challenge, your warmth and wisdom have been my comfort. To my father, Papi, thank you for being my strength, my protector, and my role model. Your hard work and sacrifices never go unnoticed, and I truly admire the way you always put our family first. Whether through your words or actions, you always show me what it means to be kind, determined, and strong. The path to success is never easy, but it is in overcoming challenges that we truly grow. As Monimarians, we have faced sleepless nights preparing for exams, the pressure of balancing academics and extracurricular activities, and the weight of responsibilities that pushed us beyond our limits. However, through it all, our experiences have tested our competence, strengthened our resilience, taught us the importance of respect, and inspired us to serve with purpose. Each late night spent studying, each failure that became a lesson, and each hurdle we overcame molded us into stronger individuals. These challenges were not just struggles, but opportunities to learn and prove our dedication. As I stand here today, let us remember that excellence is not a final destination but an ongoing journey. Let us continue to sharpen our skills, embrace challenges with courage, and embody the values of competence, resilience, respect, and service in everything we do. The world is waiting for us to make a difference, and it is up to us to use what we have learned to create a positive impact in our communities and beyond. Once again, my deepest appreciation to everyone who has contributed to our success. As Wandimarians, we carry the lessons of this institution with us, striving to become the best versions of ourselves in every journey we take. May we continue to lead, inspire, and uphold the values that defines us. Congratulations to all the awardees. May we keep shining and motivating others to pursue excellence. Thank you and be happy.
Thank you, Ms. Tabamba. And now, from Junior High School Department, let us give a round of applause for LJ Santino A. Adriano,